Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from iMumz.
Hi, mommies and dads to be. I, Dr. Anita Chaudhary from Kashi, will tell you what the partners are supposed to do. I'm sure you're excited about becoming a father, and sometimes it even gets scary waiting for the partner to be pregnant and then having a baby. It is going to be a wonderful journey for the mother and for you too, provided you are mentally prepared. Things are going to change forever once the baby arrives. But there are also some changes that you can make during the pregnancy so that later on it becomes very comfortable for you to accept and be happy. Learn a lot and be available when you are needed. I know most of you all are working and you would be tired once you're home, and just a yes mind can change the environment. I know you love your baby, you love your wife, so sometimes it is important to even show it. That bonding is very, very important. Fathers to be often need to adjust their lifestyle choices too, whether it is giving up on smoking, not drinking alcohol, maybe for a brief period of time, but it will definitely help you build up a better relationship. Eating a healthier diet or even doing exercises along with your partner. As your partner needs more support, this is the time when you can support her just with a simple yes mind. Here are some of great ways you can support your partner. If she is happy, you are happy. When you both are happy, your baby will automatically be happy. Give up smoking. This is the perfect time to quit. I know most of you want to quit, and this is one of the best opportunities. Second-hand smoke can affect your partner and your unborn baby. There are a lot of free support helps out there. Reach out to them and let your baby have a healthier start. Cut down on alcohol, booze. The most supportive thing you can do is cut back on alcohol and cut it out completely while she's pregnant. You will also feel better about yourself at this moment. Do your homework. Read up on pregnancy so that you're aware of what she is going through, and be understanding for mood swings are a bit unpredictable. She has thousands of hormones rampaging through her body, and which makes her a totally different person. Antenatal classes. Go to the antenatal classes with your partner. She'll also feel good. The more you know about what's happening during labor and birth, the better, and the more you'll be able to support her. And that will also help you relax. Plan your route to the hospital. You never know when there'll be an emergency. Make sure you know the best possible and shortest route to the hospital. Check how long the journey will take and bear in mind the traffic at different times of the day. Make sure your car is in a good working condition and it has enough gas. Check your local taxi numbers and ask if they are happy to take a woman in labor. And please have an ambulance number too. Get your admin work sorted. Investigate the benefits, childcare vouchers, and parental leave that you both are entitled to. Getting this sorted and knowing your budget for the next few months will be much easier before the baby arrives than being taken by a surprise on the D-Day. Exercise together. It really helps. Gentle exercise during pregnancy is good and perfectly safe for the mom and the baby. And if you do it along, you also stay active and happy. The more active she is during pregnancy, the easier it will be for her to maintain her healthy weight and prepare her body for labor. So go for a walk or even a swim together. It's a lovely way to spend some quality time together. Eat healthier food. Eating a healthy, nutritious diet is very important during pregnancy for the mother and for you as well. Your baby relies on you to provide the right balance of nutrients to help them grow and develop properly, even after they are born. Your choices affect the cooking patterns at home after your baby arrives. Once your baby arrives, and if your partner is breastfeeding, you can make this as restful as possible and help her comfortable during feeding. You could bring her something to drink and a healthy snack. Just supporting her through positions can also make her feel happy. And if for some reason she has to express milk and keep it, you should know how to feed your baby. There are no rules as such which need to be followed. Do this and don't do that. Just keeping yourself available and in a yes mind will sort a lot of problems. And be very, very attentive, be aware. If you've done your homework a little bit, life is going to be very, very easy and happy too. Not just for you, for your wife, and for the little one. So let us all together make it a blissful experience by just doing the right kind of things. Thank you and namaste.